Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to share some basic English words you can use in your daily routine. So let's begin. So our first word is dhyan do. You can say in English pay attention. And our second word is idhar aao. You can say come here. And next is jao wahan, means go there. The next is chup raho. You can say keep quiet. And the next is use bulao, call him or her. The next is maaf karna, means sorry, or you can say forgive me. The next word is koi baat nahi, means no problem. The next word is mujhe do, give it to me. Our next word is थोड़ा रुकिए, wait a bit. Next is जवाब दो, answer me. The next one is मुझे जाने दो, let me go. The next is दरवाज़ा बंद करो. You can say close the door. The next one is दरवाज़ा खोलो. You can say open the door. Our next word is समझ गए. You can say got it. The next one is बिल्कुल सही, absolutely right, you can say. Next is परेशान मत हो, don't worry. So these are our basic words you can use in your daily life to improve your communication skills. Thank you.